To another video. My name is Sylvan, and today I'm going to be talking about why you should wash your smartwatch on the regular and the health implications and stuff like that. Alright, so if you're excited, drop a like already, and let's get into it. So if you have a smartwatch or a watch in general, you wear it a lot. Alright, you wear it every day, around. If it's waterproof, you wash your hands with it on. If you use it for fitness tracking, you run in it, bike in it, so it can get a little gross. You will sweat in it, and then it will go into the watch, and the watch is it's trapped on your wrist, so then it'll trap that gross, icky stuff between the band and your wrist, and you could probably guess what happens. You get rashes and weird skin inflammations, and it is not fun. On Apple and Fitbit's websites, for the Apple Watch and then for the Fitbit fitness trackers, they say that if you get it wet, so that means sweating. I wash the dishes with my watch on sometimes, so water from washing your hands, swimming. I think I already said sweating. So any type of moisture, right? If your wrist gets wet or the watch gets wet or both, you should take the watch off and let it dry for a while. Put it aside, let it dry, or just take a towel and dry it, and then let your wrist breathe, because your wrist does need to breathe sometimes. So if you do sleep tracking, you'll want to take off your watch periodically throughout the day. If you're really big into fitness, you can take it off while you're doing work and stuff. But if you let your wrist and your watch dry, then once you put it on, it won't be trapping any gross moisture, which creates mold on your skin, and that is just disgusting. No one wants that. Alright, so then that's for day to day. And another thing you should be doing around, I'd say once a week, is you should be doing it more than once a week, but if you do it once a week, then that's the least amount you should be doing it. I'd say once or twice every week. If you do a lot of workouts, if you do a lot of fitness, then I'd say right after you work out, you should do this. You want to wash it, you want to clean it, and so I'll show you how to do that. I first take off my watch bands, because we're going to be cleaning those as well. And then I take the watch, and if you can see, there is gunk in where you actually put the bands. So then I put it underwater, give it a nice rinse, get it all clean, and then I take it over and I use facial cleaner, just the generic facial cleaner, because it actually gets rid of oil good on your face, and it works for your watch too. So then I take the watch, and just like you would do to your face, rub it on and run it underwater and get that clean, and then do the same to the watch band, and then let them dry, because as I said before, they have to dry before they go on your wrist. And so then I clean it with a towel, if I don't want to wait, and then as you can see, it is nice and clean. Alright guys, I hope you liked that. I hope you learned something new. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't like it at all, hit the dislike button. If you want more from me, then subscribe, and if you want to be among the first to see my new videos, hit the bell icon so you never miss anything. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you sometime this weekend, and we're going to talk about iOS 14.4. Bye!